now it's time for 3 wonderful facts about dreams and sleep. Can you help me choose the wonder of the week? Which fact do you think is funniest, craziest, or the coolest? Wonder number 1. Everyone dreams every night. Even if you don't remember them, you still dream. Your brain is learning, sorting, and cleaning up, like a little housekeeper sweeping your thoughts. Wonder number 2. Animals dream too. Dogs twitch their paws while sleeping. Maybe they're running through fields. Cats make tiny squeaks. Are they chasing dream mice? Wonder 3. Sleep makes you grow and think better. When you rest, your body repairs itself, and your brain gets ready for a new day of learning. So sleep is really superhero training, but you get to do it lying down. Wow! What do you think about the head sweeper dreams, the animal sounds, or the superhero training? Please let me know. Raise 1 finger for fact 1, 2 fingers for fact 2, and 3 for Wonderfact 3. In every episode of the world of Auren, we'll explore something amazing, and then take a moment to slow down. Because every story ends the same way, with soft sounds that help you relax and maybe even drift off to dreamland. But if you're not quite sleepy yet, you can skip this next part.
Do you want to know more? Please let your parents follow me on YouTube.